Shopify Payments Setup 2023. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are more uploads in this channel. So to start with this tutorial, just go to your settings, and in here you can see the bills, the billings, and the payments. So what we are going to click here is the payments. And in here in the payments section, you can see that there are a few options here like payment methods, supported payment methods, and manual payment methods. So what we are going to choose here is to choose a provider in the third-party payment methods. In here you can see a lot of cards that are being supported in your country. So you can also check here. So I check for Visa. You can't find the cards here, but it is found in the other section. I'm going to show you later. So if you want these options like to check out, you can have it and go back to payments. And in here you can also for manual payment method like COD. And here in payment methods, here you can search for the Visa cards, the MasterCards, and other cards that you have. So going back to the payment provider, and in here you can see the supported cards like Visa, the MasterCards, the debit card, and a few things like that. And then so to set up the payment of the Shopify account, we are going to have the to check out. So just check all of the cards here, and there is a instructions here for how to set up the account. So what we will do is just go follow the instructions. So click the link. So to make more things convenient, click this link and open it in a new tab. And then here we will start our to check out payment method to sign up for free. And in here just put in your credentials or your information and just start it. And once we have click on the start, so just choose here which products that you are going to sell on your shop. So for me, I am going to sell for example the digital products. So I'm going to choose that one and create account. So we will wait while it is creating. And then so just wait, and then thank you for creating a to checkout account, and log into my account. So just log in here your username that you have put earlier and the password. But if you are a seller, or if you want to, or if you haven't created any, if this thing doesn't work, just click on the click here link for this one. There you go, it is not working. Just click on the click here link. So you will be redirected here, and just click on it and put on the credentials so that you can log in. So I am putting my password in my email. So if it doesn't work again, just check before what username and password that you have put in. So it would be valid. So once you have get able to get in, just click on it. You'll be redirected to a page just like this one. So in this step, what we're going to do is just to start the verification process by clicking on the start verification. So once you have started the start verification, we are going to provide the financial details of our account. You can see this, and it is very straightforward. Just click on the boxes and type in what is needed for it. And going back to the summary, and when you scroll down after you have put in the details, just also put the business description, or what kind of business you're operating for your Shopify account. So this can be found in the summary section. And going back to this verification process, just click on the integrations. This will be visible in the dashboard. I have encircled it with red, and under it is workbooks and API. And under workbooks and API, you can see your merchant code, your API keys. So where to find it? And in here, you can see the API keys and the merchant code that will be used later on for the account that you are going to set up. So I will show you later on, or I will show you next on how to use this API keys, merchant code, or where to put these things. So remember these instructions of mine, and let us go back. In here, for where you can see the instructions, it is required the merchant code in the secret word. So just copy the merchant code in the integration keys earlier, and the secret word is also found there under the merchant code or the API keys. So once you have already done all of those process, you can just scroll down and enable test mode. So once you have enabled test mode, you are pretty much done in setting up your payment account for your Shopify. So I hope everything helps, and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video.